How to fix an error the application was unable to start correctly on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can fix an error on Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started with our video. So the first method is to change your current system local. So for that, click on the search icon and in the search bar simply search for control panel and open up the control panel in your Windows 11. After you have opened it up, make sure under the section that says view by, click on this drop down and choose large icons from there. After that, click on this region option. Now you will have this pop-up box in your interface. From there, click on administrative and here click on change system local. And under region settings, you have to click on this drop down and make sure to choose the current country or system local that you are in. Once done, click on OK and then click on apply and then click on OK. Once you have done that, now you can close this and go back and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, the second step is to fix the error using the CMD. So in order to open CMD, you have to press your Windows and R key in your keyboard. And on this run command, type in CMD and click on OK. So once you have this command prompt in your interface, now you have to type a code. There in the description below, there are two codes. So you can try out any of that. If one does not help you, try out another one. So I have simply saved the code in my notepad. So I'll just open from here. So these are two commands that you have to try. First, try out the first command. Copy this and all you have to do is paste here. After that, press enter, and if this command does not help you, then you can try another one. And by doing this, your problem or your error will be solved. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.